Hi TVS, welcome back to my next video. In this video we are going to see about the Ion Toast or Toast controller. Okay, so basically what happened here is if we have some errors or if we want to show something like saved successfully kind of toast, then you can able to see here I paid, so we are getting an option called paid successfully, right? So this kind of toast, if you want to display in your Ionic app or Android app or iOS app, then you require this kind of toast. Okay, so today we will see this toast, how to do it, and here is the usage. Nothing is required, just we'll create a service and then we will do it. Okay, so here you go with Ionic generate service with services folder space toast. Okay, so this is the toast controller we will be using, and let's copy some of the modules right now. Service has been created successfully. Let's go to our service page, go to toast service and just import it, and here you go with a private toast controller. Okay, and basically this is the toast controller where we'll be getting it out. You can use the toast controller by using many options also, but we'll use the simple one, simple function we'll be using it here. Okay, so here you have a toast controller, and here we'll be sending a message, and it will be a type string. Okay, and that will be displayed here. Okay, this message will be displayed here for duration, how much duration you want. Here is like milliseconds, it is 2 seconds, and this is called toast present, and that's it. Okay, it automatically get dismissed, no dismissed function is written anywhere. Okay, so on dismiss you have but dismiss function is not written. Okay, so that's it. So our toast is created. Now I'll show you the usage. So here we have the post. If you saw my previous videos, then you have the post and method and get method, and also a auth service has been created. So now this auth service, what I have done is I'll show you. Let me have this Ionic serve. Okay, let me have this Ionic serve and let me show you what I have done is, previously I was writing this much the code, return the results. Now if my app gets offline, okay, I am using the app for any reason, my app gets offline, there is no internet connection, so then there might be an errors. So to handle those errors, what I have done, I have created a pipe where to catch the error. Okay, I have taken a string and then I have added errors. Okay, if there is an error direct message, then I'll go it, otherwise otherwise I'll have this function, private function, where you will be getting this HTTP error response. Depending on this, I'll get this error. Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm consoling it and I'm loading the dismiss, just loading service I have used. If you have seen my previous video, then you will be knowing loading service. So here you go with the home and dashboard. Now all the users has been loaded, and you can able to see due to that console here which we have written, not here in the dashboard page we have this console. That's the reason we are getting it. So if you remove it, so we will not get this console. And see, whenever we click on reload, then it will get a HTTP. Okay, HTTP request. It will send an HTTP request from the network, and then you will be getting it, right? See, got a HTTP request, and again you are getting a request, or otherwise it's like it's stored in the local storage. That's it. And right now what I'm doing is I'm making it as an offline. Now there was an internet and now there is no internet, right? So I need to, if I click on this reload, then you can able to see I have written a console that unknown service error you got. Okay, unknown error you have received in the auth service. So this is the auth service which we have written. Yes, this is the console app which I am doing right now, and I am just dismissing the loading service. But user will not understand what happened. He has requested for HTTP request, but he is not getting the response. So to enable it, so what we require is toast. Okay, toast service. So what I'll do here is I'll just import the toast service. Okay, here you go. So this you have here the toast service. Now what I'll do, it'll be, instead of doing console, this dot toast service dot, if it is present toast, then I need to send him a string, right? So that string will be this string. Okay, this will be the string, and then what I'm doing, I'm dismissing the loading service. No, I need to first dismiss the loading so that it will be shown. Dismiss the loading, then show the error message. That's it. Okay, show the error message. If you want to return the error, return the error, otherwise it's okay. Okay, if you don't want to return the error, it's fine, or it's always good. Okay, no, you need to return the error so that this function gets completed and it goes to dashboard return. Here we are requesting it, and then the functionality will be working. So now it's like offline. Now just I'm making it in online, and you can able to see. So I got this beautiful message right now. Okay, so what I'll do, just I'm reloading it. I'm getting the different users. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll make it as an offline and I'll reload it. So here you can able to see that internet connection is absorbed. Okay, so it is disconnected and there should be a toast, but it's not available. Unhandled promise. Okay, let's have this toast here, toast controller here, and let me check what happened, what goes wrong. Let me give a string here and let me check. Okay. I need to disconnect my internet. Just I'll disconnect my internet. Okay, just I'm disconnected my internet, and right now I'm reloading it. Network error. Now got the message as error message. It checks. Okay. Okay. Now now I'm in like offline mode. So here you got unknown service error. I'll make my net to active. Connect. Just I'm connecting the internet. Okay. So I'm reloading it. You got all your values. Okay, so if my net goes offline, if I go offline and if I reload it, it will check for the request, and after some time you will get a error like unknown reason, service error. If you want to show error, it's okay, otherwise you don't want to show, then it's okay. And since everything is loaded, saved in the database, it's storage. Okay, local storage, so nothing is required here. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please like it, and I hope you have learned about how to use this toast service, as well as how to handle the errors. Okay, so if you are like offline, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.